Hello, today we're going to talk about Magic Layers, which is a new button that has appeared on the Canva interface. And I think it's really exciting and really useful for authors. Let me show you how. Go to the Canva homepage. And as you can see, there's this new easy thing called Magic Layers. And that's what we're going to be talking about. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to a file where I have put in 3 of my book covers. If you're new here, this is Canva Tips for Authors, where we show authors how to use Canva for their book marketing. I'm Jeevani Charika. I'm an author and I learned how to use Canva, and now I am passing the knowledge on to you. If you would like to talk to some other authors about how you use Canva, come join the Facebook group. It is free. The link is in the description. If you would like some free marketing assets so that you can hit the ground running promoting your book, again, link is in the description. If you have any questions about how to make something in Canva, just pop them in the comments and I will see what I can do to help. Okay, let's go back to what we were doing. Let's say I want to make some assets and I want to use the lighthouse or one of the seagulls or something. So let's try Magic Layers. I should note that this is an AI feature, so whether or not you're going to use AI is entirely up to you and your conscience and how you feel about it. It's not the fastest, it takes some time. But now what I've got is each of these things are on a separate layers. So let's put them back. Let's right click and have a look at the layers. So there we go. They are all on different layers. So if I wanted to use bits of the image for any kind of graphic, I could. If I add another page and I'll put the book cover back in, just so that you can see that some things are slightly different. Not much though. So this is the original cover. And if we look at it, there aren't any layers. So if you right click, there's no layers option. That's what the original looks like. And if I wanted to cut, say, the Vidya, the main character, out, it would have been really difficult. But with the magic layers, you can. Oh, I have to make this bigger. It's bugging me. Okay, so that's quite useful. Now let's try magic layers with a photograph. Oh, let's duplicate it first. Duplicate page. Right, let's do magic layers on the second option. Okay, so this is the original. And this is the one with the layers separated. And it looks almost exactly the same, but you can separate, take the title out. You can take the, you can remove the shading, all kinds of stuff that you can do. So quite useful. Use case wise, I think this would be really useful if, say, you are, I don't know, self-publishing a translation. Then you can separate the layers. You can use the same font and just type in Italian title or a French title. That would work quite well. It helps you match the font to an extent. So there you go, magic layers. Absolute game changer. Really, really useful. It's been a while since I found a new feature that's been actually quite exciting and useful. So I'm really excited about this. If you found this useful, please tell all your friends and I'll see you in the next video.